Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Can I come in?
Yeah.
Could you tell me real quick what you have in here?
4 X12,
Okay.
8 layer coils, NS4 spotters, 2 FSB 13.5Ks,
Okay.
90 amp hours of C-Max.
Nice. Who built the box?
Sean Owens.
They did. Okay. Really nice job.
Yeah, it's tuned a little high, but
It is?
that's 28 to 28 and up.
Okay. So what is it playing? It's a 55 hertz, or how high do you think?
About 55.
55, okay.
It's a high note one.
I know. Okay. All right. Amp open? Can I see the back? The amp?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Team Crucial Sounds. Nice. What are these wired to? One ohm. Okay.
Yeah, I got a lot of box rides. Rides are like 4 right now.
Really?
So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing me. What was your name?
Brian.
Brian. Nice to meet you, Brian.
Yes, sir.
You have a good day. I love to hear it, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.